Welcome back, welcome back. So this is going to be my very last Chronicles hobby box for 19 until the prices drop. This is going to be the last one I buy at the regular fresh into the market price. I'll wait a while. I promised you guys I was going to get the blaster boxes, and I finally saw them for sale. They're on the way. They should be here any day now. I guess I should have clicked the tracking. Actually, I thought they were going to come today, but they didn't, so we'll have to wait for it. But anyways, this is it for now. This is the fourth one because I love my Chronicles. I think it's affordably, well, relatively affordably priced for what you get. I love, love, love variety. I'm that person that goes to the Chinese buffet and gets one bite of 50 things. And I feel that same way about cards. So I love that Chronicles brings to the table a whole bunch of different brands, card brands in one pack. I just love that. So it's hard for me to get enough Chronicles. Oh, let's see what we get. I haven't pulled anything amazing out of this, so I'm really surprised that I'm still letting myself buy the hobby boxes. But I love Chronicles. So, alright, enough talky. Let's walkie our butt right into these cards. See what we get. Maybe we can get a crazy big pull this time. We shall see. These are kind of hard to hold. Alright, Goldschmidt, that's the base card. Kikuchi, Ascension rookie. Nicky Lopez, Rookies and Stars. A Jake Cave, Spectrum rookie. Glaber Torres, that is the Crusade Hollow. Nice card there. I love the Crusades. A Alex Bregman Obsidian. That's the regular version, not numbered. Ty France status rookie, and a certified Chris Davis. So pack one was boring. I guess it was alright. I did get that Spectra rookie, so. Pack 2 has a Tatis Jr. Chronicles base rookie, Alonso Classics rookie, Jimenez Limited. We have a Kikuchi triple relic. All of my relic cards out of this stuff has been decent. All of them, all four, have been not bad, which is good because the best you can hope for out of relic cards. Jimenez Titan rookies, first one of those I've pulled out of the boxes. Andujar Phoenix Hollow. Jeff McNeil certified rookie, and the green version. Probably sell these together in my store if anybody has any interest in that. Pretty thick pack here, although they're all thick packs. Oh no, there's something massive in there. Let's sit on that. Let's wait for it. This one's thick as hell too. Here's a thin one, and that's a thick one. Alright. Let's do this lightweight baby right here and see what it holds, what prizes it holds. Alright, Cody Bellinger score. Austin Riley rookie base. Chris Paddock Timeless Treasures rookie. Yency Almonte absolute rookie autograph. So meh, okay. Sinzel Contenders Optic. Oh nice. An Acuna Titan Cracked Ice. I love these. They're numbered to 99. They look really good. I like that card. Kopech status rookie, and what? Darwazon Hernandez green status rookie. I don't think I've heard that name before. What are we missing? We got one auto and one mem card, so we're still looking for two more autos. Alright, Kyle Tucker, base rookie. Ascension, Kyle Freeland. Aaron Judge, Rookies and Stars. Nice, an Acuna status. Thick stock. Not status, Spectra. Spectra, sorry. Good looking card there. Senzel again, Crusade. Mookie Betts, Obsidian. The Darwazon Hernandez again, that's the regular status, the gold, and the regular certified Anthony Rizzo. Alright, 2 more packs. Mookie Betts. Score. Nick Senzel again, playoff. He's all up in here. A Duplantier rated rookie red to 99. We have a Reese McGuire America's Pastime 7 out of 10. This card is amazing. It is an acetate brick of a card. On card auto out of 10. So I don't know what that brick is in that other pack, but this one's nice. Little Blue Jays action. Cool. I love this. It's heavy as hell. I mean, it feels like a little brick. Nice. Francisco Lindor Titan. This is a parallel numbered out of 25. Right now, I'm calling this like one of the best boxes out of the 4. Peter Lambert, rookie Obsidian. Michael Chavis, certified rookie, and Chris Paddock, status rookie. Alright, let's see what's in this last pack. Let's pull these to the front and we'll do that big old card last. Aaron Judge, Contenders Optic. Chris Paddock, rookie Phoenix. Chris Bryant, status. Chris Paddock, status green. This is a Chris Paddock box. There he is again, rated rookie. Rowdy Roddy, base rookie. Cole Tucker, rookie, Timeless Treasures. And the brick card is Touki Toussaint. Cornerstones quad on card autograph rookie to 25. Yeah, this, I didn't get any cornerstones out of the other boxes, and I definitely didn't get any of this. So yeah, this has been probably the best box, I think. Both of these are on card, super short print. These little patches in here too, that's kind of nice. No, it's very nice. Cool. Well, I'm glad I did one more. Yeah, and then I thought this was pretty neat. Oh, and the Acuna Cracked Ice version of this is pretty good too. So, alright, well, I'm glad I did one more hobby box of this. I'll have more. You know I'm going to have more later, but I'm going to wait a little while. The price on this will come down. It'll probably settle, I don't know. It'll come down for a little while, but like last year's boxes of this is back up to like, I think I saw one at like 149 or something. I was like, eek. So I'm going to watch for it to come down a little bit. I don't think it's going to do like 2017. I think those boxes ended up coming down so much because people hated those base cards, but I don't think these aren't going to get that cheap, I don't think. But if they do, of course, I'll grab some more up. But anywho, I'm rambling as I always do. Thanks so much for watching. I will have those, I have 4, because I do love this stuff so much. I got 4 blaster boxes on the way. I didn't see any other retail product, but I'm going to go back and check again to see if there's any rack packs. They usually don't have these in hanger boxes. I don't think I've ever seen Chronicles in hanger box form, but there probably will be some packs, I guess. I don't know, maybe not, but anyways, I'll check and see, and if there is, I will of course get them. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Take care of yourself. Hope you're doing well. I love you, and I'll see you again soon.